Finally, a new year is here. We are grateful to God for giving us a superb 2021. As we begin 2022, we, the team from Design and Construction TV, wishes our cherished subscribers and viewers success, good health and prosperity in this new year. The layout of the ground floor plan with its dimensions are as follows: the entrance terrace, which leads us into an open living, dining and kitchen space. An elegant master bedroom. 2 other bedrooms. Two washrooms and a corridor for easy movement. The building has 3 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The building has an area of 141 square meters with an expected construction cost of $30,000. Looking for a low-cost housing, you could consider this 3-bedroom open-plan bungalow. This beautiful home is a perfect design to begin your journey of owning a home. The open-plan style is connected to the principle of flexibility and fluidity of space. Another amazing fact about the open-plan style is that it could be slightly cheaper since it uses less blocks and finishing for its construction. Walkthrough. Open living and dining. Walkthrough. Open kitchen. Walkthrough. Master's bedroom. Walkthrough, Master's Washroom. Walkthrough, Bedroom 2. Walkthrough, Shared Washroom. Walkthrough, Bedroom 3. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. Kindly click on the videos on your screen to watch other amazing videos on this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.